And next is water on evaporation becomes steam. Evaporation means on boiling. And on condensation, on cooling, steam get baked instead of water. You can see the water on evaporation and on boiling becomes steam, and steam on condensation and cooling it become water. So there are 4 processes in which now we study about the evaporation, condensation, melting and freezing. Evaporation and melting, they are the process on heating, and condensation and freezing, they are process on cooling. But there is a difference. On the evaporation they become water vapors. On melting, the ice changes the state into water. Okay. On freezing, the water change into a solid state ice, and the steam is a gas vapor, water vapor, they change into a water. So now it's clear. So now we study about dissolving of solid, liquid, gases in water. Now we study one by one what is dissolving of solid in water. Solid like sugar or salt, okay? Liquid like alcohol, oil, they are get dissolved in water. And gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen, you saw in the soft drink bottles, there's a gases are present in the bottles called soft drinks. Now we study these one by one. First we study about solid in water. So solid in water, as you see the solid means so sugar or salt, they are solid in nature, they get dissolved in water. Yes, you know that the salt, when you stir the salt in water, gets dissolved. The molecule of sugar or salt takes space in water molecules. When we dissolve the sugar or salt in water, the molecules of sugar or salt take space in between water molecules. Okay. Now next is liquids in water. The one liquid dissolved in another liquid, like vegetable oil or kerosene oil. It does not dissolve in water. Yes, you see, when you put the oil in a water, there is a layer form on upper the water. Okay, this does not dissolve. And now your second is, as you must see in a painter, they use a oil to remove the paint from their hands. This oil is known as turpentine oil. Okay. When the painter remove the paint from their hand, they use turpentine oil because the turpentine oil get dissolved in paint, and they remove the oil from their and remove the paint from their hand. But when we use water instead of turpentine oil to removing paint, it does not remove the paint from their hands. So turpentine oil is used to remove the paint from their hand. So now there are these things. Vegetable oil, kerosene oil does not dissolve in water. Turpentine oil get dissolved in paint. Okay, turpentine oil is get dissolved in paint, but turpentine oil is also does not dissolve in water. Okay, there are 2 types of liquids: vegetable oil, kerosene oil. Turpentine oil get dissolved in paint. Okay, and now you understand that. Now next is gases dissolved in water. As you see a soft drink bottles, there is a gas dissolved in water or the drink. Yes, these gases are carbon dioxide gas. The gas get dissolved when you open the bottle. There is a pressure exerted by the gas, and you see a fish sound. This fish sound is produced by this gas, which is dissolved in the soft drink bottles or liquid. The gas is carbon dioxide gas. Okay. Now, when you boiling water, you saw bubbles around the surface of the water. These waters are the gases of oxygen, which are dissolved in water. Okay, the boiling water produce some bubbles. These bubbles are of oxygen gas. Okay, these bubbles are dissolved oxygen in water. Okay, now we study that.